Circle A has a radius of 3n and circle B has a radius of 129n, where n is a positive constant. The area of circle B is how many times the area of circle A? Since we have the question on area of circle, let's write the formula to get area of a circle, that is pi r square. Here this r is the radius of the circle. Okay, first let me get the area of circle A. Now we can use this formula, and for this r we can plug in the given radius, that is 3n. Okay, then we have pi times 3n the whole square. Okay, pi times, here 3 and n are multiplied and we have the exponent 2. Since this 2 is a common exponent for 3 times n, we can take this exponent 2 separately for this 3 and n and multiply the results. Then I'm getting 3 square times n square. Okay, pi times, the value of 3 square is 9, then we get 9n square. We can write this 9 in front of pi, then we have 9 pi n square. Here I got the area of circle A. Now let's get the area of circle B. Again we have to use the same formula, that is pi times the radius of circle B is 129n. Let me plug in this one for r over here. Then I'm getting 129n the whole square. Okay, pi times the same thing. We can take this exponent 2 separately for this one and multiply the results. Then I'm getting 129 square times n square. Okay, pi times the value of 129 square is 16,641 n square. We can write this one in front of pi. Then we have 16,641 pi n square. Okay, now let me write the area of circle B again over here. That is 16,641 pi times n square. Our aim is to find the area of circle B is how many times the area of circle A. Here on the left side we have area of circle B. Now to answer the given question, we have to get this stuff in terms of area of circle A. For that we have to write this quantity in terms of 9 pi n square. For that let's divide this value by this 9. Okay, now let me do it. That is area of circle B equals to, when I divide this one by 9, I am getting 1849. That is we can write this number as 1849 times 9, and we can write this one as it is pi times n square. So the product of these two numbers is equal to 16,641. Okay, area of circle B equals to 1849. We know that this is the area of circle A, so we can replace this one by area of circle A. Here we got the result, area of circle B is equal to 1849 times of area of circle A. So the answer for this question is 1849. We find this value in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.